Looking forward to welcoming Tom Lammonby and Ben Green this afternoon to do some coaching with the pupils. We're going to take them down to the pavilion to look at their framed shirts, their England and their Somerset shirts first of all, and then they've been kind enough to offer a masterclass in T20 batting and bowling, and they're going to do a session with the first 11 followed by the development squad. Can't wait.
I miss the school sport, miss playing rugby, hockey, squash, and you take it for granted when you're that age, but yeah, I'd give anything to do it all again. One of my fondest memories, or least fondest memories, of actually being in this indoor school is doing our cricket sessions, and Mr. Fawkes, an old PE teacher of ours, just enjoying the time to run in and bowl bumpers at us. So it's quite a scary thing having Thursday night cricket in here.
Good to see you. Good to see you.
Hello,
Good to see you all.
Hello, you're right. How are we doing? I like the gloves.